Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and this is the Project CRX video series. So there's going to be a whole boatload of videos coming through about the Project CRX that's behind me there. So this is the first video of the series and we're just getting started. So there's a few little things after picking up the car and looking over it and taking a good look at it that have bothered me right off the bat. So there's a few things I'm going to take care of in this video. They're easy to do. Some of them I had already here waiting just to get the car, so those are going to be going on. So stay tuned for just some fun little stuff to do the car that are easy. And then later on in the video series, we'll start getting more involved with the suspension work, the wheels and tires, and all that stuff will get more involved. So this is just going to be little knick-knack stuff, just that I noticed when I first bought the vehicle and it's bothered me. So we're going to get into that now. So stay tuned, guys. So doing some work in the back here. I noticed when I got the car home, the rear brake lights, reverse lights weren't working. Look at the state of these two bulbs that were in it. Both blown. So I got some new bulbs from Halfords, just picked them up. So we're gonna put those in real quick. They're quite easy to remove. You just remove this trim piece here. There's your little ball socket. Let's put the new bulb in it. I'm gonna be able to do this with one hand. Maybe I might be that talented. Let's see. Ha, I can. And then straight in the socket there. There we go. And we'll do the same on the other side now, and then I'll have that part of it fixed. So I pulled these bulbs out of the tail lights, and they look blown too. So got my stash of bulbs up here, and we're gonna get some. These should be 194. So in here, I should have some 194 bulbs. Might be some in that tray. Let's have a look. There's some in there. Yeah, I think there's some in here. Yeah, there's two there, I think. And some yellow ones too if I need them. Yeah, that should be 194. We'll pop those in. And get the other one out. Cool. Yep, so two new ones, we'll put those in. Okay, got the new bulb in. Just gotta snap that back into place now. And that should make a difference with whatever I think these are running lights. There we go, back in. And we'll try out the lights now. See how bright they are, because they were a little bit dim, the tail lights were. All right, let's see if that fixed it. Key in the ignition. All right, ready?
Yeah, working now.
Both working?
They are.
Cool.
Stick your lights on.
Do they look any brighter, the running lights?
They look even now.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So that other one was definitely dim then, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, thank you. That's sorted then. That's sorted. What's the next project? What are we doing next? I think we're going to paint the wipers next. I move the wiper arms because they're quite faded, and they're right in the field of vision. So we're going to take them off and paint them next. Keep moving on. All right, so we got the wiper blades all ready for a fresh coat. I got some wipes here to clean them up a bit, and then we'll get the first coat of paint on them. See how they turn out. Start wiping them down a bit now, get them ready. Just got a wet rag here. Get all you can see they're like faded there. So just a bit of paint will clean them up nice. So wipe it all down, and then we'll get the alcohol wipes and wipe it with the alcohol. I should probably put some gloves on. Yeah, I'll put our gloves on so I don't get fingerprints all on it. My oily fingerprints. All right, I got some gloves on. Let's wipe these down a bit with some alcohol grease wiping pads, and that will get all our fingerprints off it. It's a warm day here in the UK, so it's a good time for painting. Good time for getting some coats on and drying in the warm sun. All right, let's get some coats on. Don't paint my shoes. Nice even coat. Oop. Oh, it's got a safety device on it. Or maybe does it? All right. Why is that not working? Move. It's got like a safety device in it. Thanks, Halfords, but I guess I need to get that out. All right, we've got that safety device moved, so we should be okay to paint now. Okay, all right, let's give it a go. There we go. Nice, quick first coat. Try not to paint my shoes. All right, we'll let that coat dry, then we'll come back and put another coat on. Cool, let that dry. All right, while the wiper arms are drying for the first coat, I'm gonna do a little bit of a cleanup of the engine bay just to start. Wiping stuff down and kind of cleaning up under the bonnet here a bit. Just wiping, get a little bit of degreaser and just start wiping. I'm gonna degrease the engine. I'll show you the stuff I've got. I'm gonna use a pressure washer to degrease the engine, clean it up a bit. So that's what we're gonna start doing now. All right, guys, welcome back. Working on cleaning up the engine bay just a bit, just to start, just to get a little dab of what I'm dealing with. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna degrease the engine. I've removed the intake kit, filter housing, and I've removed the battery. I'm in the process of removing the battery tray because I'm gonna clean that area up a bit. And the degreaser I picked up was from Halfords, and it's friendly for the environment, apparently. It doesn't kill aquatic life, which is what we don't want to do. So I'm going to use that on the engine bay. I'm going to cover everything up with plastic to protect it from the hose, and then we'll hit the engine with degreaser. And we'll see if we can clean it up a bit, just to make it a little bit more presentable. And then later on down the road, maybe over the winter, is when I'm going to do a full power coat, a lot of stuff. So stay tuned for that part of the series. That's going to be fun, that is. So right now I'm just messing about. So we'll see how better it comes when I clean it with the degreaser. All right, as you can see, I've removed some items just to be able to clean behind them. I still haven't done this side yet, but I'm working on this side right now. I'm gonna remove this. I'm not taking it out of the car because I don't know what it all involved. It's an alarm system. So cleaned all down there, best I could. Yeah, it's getting better. The degreaser's working. This side, I need to think about what I'm gonna do as far as cleaning. I mean, it is under the battery, you really can't see it, but I might address that later. I'm probably gonna get a new bracket, maybe a new motor mount, who knows? Don't know yet. Cleaned up a bit back there. Still pretty bad, but it's a process. It's the first attempt. So yeah, I'll keep going. Right, just a quick view of the engine bay after just about hour and a half of cleaning up a bit. It's still, you know, not perfect, but I don't think a 35-year-old car will be. But this all cleaned up nice. The back firewall cleaned up. Oh, the sun's kind of reflecting now, isn't it? But yeah, it cleaned up nice for the most part. Like I said, over the winter it's going to get its full restoration. A lot of all the power coating and everything. So stay tuned for future videos like the subframe. I'm redoing all the suspension, so stay tuned for all that. But let's get the wiper arms put back on, and then we'll button it up for the day. Right, next project was to remove some of these stickers. So that one's getting removed. Now, I'm removing the original one because it's all faded. I'm gonna put a new one on, which is right here. And if you guys are interested in any stickers for your CRX, like the 16 valve, the door stickers, any under the bonnet stickers, I make them. And I'll put a link in the description so you can check them out to my website. Let's get these old stickers removed. And just like that, we've got that sticker removed with a little nail polish remover and everything. And we got the old sticker removed off there and put the new one on now with some nail polish remover, and it came out really good. So cool, super excited about that. Now I've just got to get these ones off. These are coming off next. There's one on the driver and the passenger side, so they're coming off next. So cool. Right, okay, next thing we're gonna do is replace this Honda badge. It's just a little faded and the chrome's peeling in areas, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. So let's get that done. All right, old one is out, quick and easy. Now we just gotta clean all this up and we'll pop the new one in. It's gonna look cool with a new shiny piece. All right, got the old area mostly gone of residue, so we're ready to snap the new one in now. Let's do it. All right, let's get this bad boy snapped in. I need a little bit of extra oomph to get it in, but I need 2 fingers maybe. Oh, maybe that's it. There's a little bit of oomph. Ooh, yeah. That looks so much better. It's got some double-sided tape on it, so you want to give it a good, and it's got like these little push pins that like lock it in. Wow, that looks so much better. Let's lower the bonnet down and have a better look. Just little things like that, like really make such a difference. So cool. Brand new Honda batch, done. Okay, another little part we're gonna replace this old thing here with a nice new one. So let's get that thing out. This is the hood prop clip. Look how grimy that is. Let's get that out of there. All right, and there's a new one fitted. Just these little things. All right, and that's the finished wiper arm blades. They look brand new. Worth the effort. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video there now. Got quite a bit done, I think, for the first video there, getting some of the bits put on and restoring the wiper arms and stuff. It went pretty smoothly, so I'm quite happy with the progress so far. Next video coming up is going to be the brake service, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, we'll keep going on the car. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you, if you like, subscribe, and maybe hit the bell notification so you see the next videos that are coming up. So on that note, we'll see you guys on the next video, so stay tuned.